guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jen. This is just Jen's Things. These are the things that make me smile. We are back in front of my curio cabinet of perfume, guys. And we're doing a declutter today because I have a shitload of perfumes and there's no way that I can go ahead and wear all of these. So we are going to go ahead and declutter, and I will show you guys what I'm going to declutter. I will give my kids a chance to go through them first. Then I'm going to go ahead and sell to Plato's Closet, and then I will be donating the rest. But guys, let's get into my perfume collection. So, sorry, my floors, guys. I live in a brand new double wide, and if I move, my tripod's gonna move. So there's nothing I can do about that. I'm sorry, guys. Anywho, let's get into the top up here. Just happens to be what I have done for clear bottles, white bottles, black bottles, that type of thing. I am decluttering this one. As you guys saw in like a previous video, the CLONE Perfume sent me 3 of their bottles. This is Rouge Veil, which is supposed to be like their Baccarat Rouge. I can't smell anything from this at all. It smells like water to me. So I am going to be decluttering that. If my kids want to use it, they can, or I'm going to be going ahead and selling that one. I am gonna declutter this perfume oil, guys, from Swiss Arabian, because I honestly never really touch this or think about touching it. So I'm gonna declutter that. And this one's so pretty though. I don't know, guys. This was like another cheapie. This one is a musk. I don't know. I may keep that and just see what's going on with that. Prosecco Spritz. I don't know, it's kind of good. It's kind of good. I just got that in from a giveaway. Let me see, this is gonna be harder than I thought it was going to be, guys. Definitely harder than what I thought it was going to be. I absolutely love those. Love them, love them, love them. Okay, this is Monarch. I think I'm gonna declutter Monarch, guys. This one was from Paris Corner. I just don't know. I'm probably gonna declutter Monarch. Okay, what else? I love that one. This one is interesting. I like that. Okay. And then this is good. Good. Those are like gourmands. Yeah. Okay, like those. I'm gonna declutter this one. This can go over here. Okay. I am going to declutter this Guess 1981, and I don't know. this one has become so interesting. This is that Oh Honey from Maison Assar. So controversial. I don't know if I should keep it or not. I don't know that I'm ever going to reach for this though. So, I don't know. We'll probably declutter that one. Okay, the shawl. Katia Gold is amazing. Mango Teeny. Probably, I'm going to declutter Mango Teeny because I don't see myself. Mango's just not my, like, my favorite thing in the world, guys. It's just not. It's not something that, like, I want to reach for constantly. Okay. I'm going to declutter the Blossom by Harem Cowboy. This is like a strawberry caramel. Herbie Fizz might be good to wear, but it's not really my favorite either. Yeah. Okay, Britney Spears perfume, guys. I never reach for this. I don't know why I bought a celebrity perfume when I tend not to like them or ever reach for them. Up to the bottle. Bottle's so cute. It's a freshie. It's kind of cute, but again, I never wear it, so sexy. I think I've tried to declutter this like 7 times or something, and then I always put it back in my collection and never use it, so I'm gonna finally declutter it now. This is Pistachio Macaron. It was a TJ Maxx one. I never wear this either. Mojito. I actually like Mojito. I'm gonna keep that one. It's just straight up just orange, and that's it. And I never even think to ever wear this. I don't think I've worn it really since I like was so excited and tried to get it, thinking it was gonna be like creamsicle, and it's not. So I my favorite perfumes, guys, is the Club de Nuit. So gorgeous. Tahari, if you know, you know. I don't see myself really wearing this. I'm going to declutter this. Do I ever see myself reaching for a watermelon perfume? Probably not. I haven't used this at all. I haven't sprayed it, thought about spraying it, or wanted to. I mean, it smells good. It smells good. It's just not gonna, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna declare. Not bad, guys. We're getting along. So I think what I decided to do was that I'm gonna pull out like my gourmands and have my gourmands kind of all together, because that would be, I'd like to know like exactly where like all my gourmands are. You know what I mean? I'd like to do that. I'm probably gonna declutter this one, but it's good. I don't know. Oh my God. Like, what is wrong with me, people? Go ahead and declutter this one. Declutter the Prosecco Spritz. Yeah. For now, that's gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. And let's go through everything that I've actually decluttered, because it feels like a lot. Gonna declutter the Pistachio Macaron. We're gonna declutter the Prosecco Spritz. We're gonna declutter the Mystiq Watermelon. I just don't see myself using it. We're gonna declutter Indomitable, and This might be good in the fall though. It's interesting, like sandalwood. I don't know, I'm gonna keep this one. It's an interesting kind of like sandalwood-ish type of scent. I don't know. Let's stick that up there for now. Okay. Guess 1981. Date Woman. The Blossom one. I don't know, it's so controversial. We'll keep it for now. Declutter these. And declutter this one. Victoria's Secret. And we're gonna declutter Mingotini and Ruby Fizz. So that's my declutter for now, guys. Let's see what happens over the next couple of months, but I want to keep perfumes that like actually are interesting to me or smell really good or mean something. So that's what I'm doing so far. So guys, tell me if you have a large perfume collection, what you're keeping, what you're decluttering. Tag me in your latest declutter video and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.
They move too fast, honey, for pictures. Not me again.